Hello, 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 good morning. Wow, it's been so long since
we first met.
And since I held this little thing in my hand. We're in London with no other than my second boyfriend, Mr. Chanel. Actually, it's Miss Chanel, so it's my girlfriend. Okay, so, guys, it was so funny because yesterday we walked in. So this is the room, right? It even has a little, like, wall garden. So we walked in and I see this part. And I was like, oh my god, this is so cute and cozy. But I was like, where are we gonna sleep? Because, you know, London is notoriously famous for very small rooms. And I was like, maybe we can, like, remove the pillows and then, like, it turns into, like, a bed. And the guy was like, is everything okay? And I'm like, yeah. And only then my blonde, beautiful brain realized there's a whole section over here. So this is like where the magic happens, aka 9 hours of sleep, baby. Okay, so we're here with Chanel, but now we have breakfast first. So I ordered avocado. Did you take my cutlery?
The gabel, you mean?
Why did you do this? I'm so
I didn't see it. But also I had a little moment of nausea. So I was just taking whatever so I could get some food.
Okay.
That's okay. It's just not New York, you say?
Yeah. It's a bagel and I have a very, very high standard for bagels. Yeah, something is off. It tastes good.
Something's very off. It tastes good.
I'm just grateful for food, you know? But something's off. Okay, we move on to the hash browns. Like, there's no way to mess up hash browns. But there's a lot of ways to mess up a little bit a bagel.
Is it off?
No, it's good. I'm an annoying foodie because I've just seen it all, but it's really good. I figured out what it is about the avocado bagel that throws me off, and it tastes sweet. Why does it taste sweet? I think they added like
maple syrup.
Yeah, but I put sugar on it. It's in the avocado, so I think they smashed the avocado and added sugar. Funny. Do you like my makeup? It's so funny because I'm here with Sabrina and like, I wish you guys would know. Like some influencers that I know in real life, they're just the funniest, most brilliant people ever. And Sabrina is one of them. Like she is so, everything she does is so iconic. I could just watch her like live and I would be the most entertained person ever. Like she is so unique and authentic and hilarious. I keep saying this to her all the time. I'm like, everything you say is so funny. There's something about her humor that just clicks with my like brain synapses regarding humor. And I said to her yesterday, I think our grandparents 1,000 years ago, maybe even less, there has to be a connection because I relate so much to her and so many like it's so crazy. Sometimes I'm like, oh my god, we literally have the same brain. And I told her yesterday, I'm like, the only difference is, and I think that's why I feel so drawn to her, she says things out loud that I keep to myself. And I think, you know, these people that are so real and are so like unapologetically themselves. And you're like, wow. Like she is leaning in confidently into the parts that I'm like, how do you call it? I would say I try to hide them, you know? It's like my shadow self. Okay, so let's get ready for the event. What am I gonna wear? Look at my little Chanel closet. I think I'm gonna wear this tonight for the main event. Tonight I'm gonna wear the puffer jacket because it's a vibe and it's raining. So I feel like I would really love the puffer jacket. And I honestly, should I go? Oh no, I go for these boots. Also I have a closet full of Chanel like boots, which is iconic. So maybe we go for these baddies. Oh, so I have these Chanel denims. Would this be, oh my god, the funny thing though, it would be a very similar look to what I would wear tonight because it's like denim. Denim on denim. I can't.
Thank you. Yeah. Hi. Jürgen, how are you? Oh my god, I love this.
Sabrina a lot. I talked about her in my video. See, that's what I mean. I said that I could just watch you exist with your soul red.
I'm Sabrina. I've had the privilege of being witch now for the last 16 years, leading diverse, global functions like innovations and insights. What I wanted to say is, on behalf of all the nationalities, a very, very warm welcome. It's an absolute pleasure and also a very rare occasion to gather so many friends at their house and be all together. So I'm very, very grateful.
The gist is that you can go to one of the posters and you see the product next to it, so I'm going to show you. And then if you want to learn more about it, you step underneath it and they will explain to you everything. So let's see here. Here's the blue section, okay? And I'm stepping. Do you hear it? I don't know if you can hear it, but basically it just explains you more about the product and it's really cool and creative.
Hold on, let me take my time.
I just got back from the event and I forgot my vlog camera. I'm sorry, y'all. I only have a few clips, but basically it was a very lovely dinner because the food was excellent. I was sitting with Sabrina, which is always very fun, and the German team, very nice. And then Georgia Smith performed, and I love her music. I have some very big favorites. What? This was so funny. It was Sabrina. She returned me my top that I gave her for her event. Okay, we have to wake up at 6:30 tomorrow. We're going back to New York, but I want to unpack with you the welcome goodie that was in my room, because how did I not show you yet? I already opened Jürgen's, so I already know what it is. So I can't act surprised, but... Whoa. What is it? What is it? It's actually so cool. I think this is the coolest Chanel beauty gift case I've ever received. I mean, it's like a literal palette. It was so funny because when I got this, I sent a photo to Sabrina and then I opened it and there's another small palette in it. So I sent her the big one with my hand next to it. So she was like, oh my god, it's huge. And then I showed her the small one and she was like, did you Photoshop this? Okay, we're gonna open it. Oh, sorry, it's late. The color of Allure. This is the palette I was talking about. I love this palette. I used it this morning. It's so beautiful. Look. I think you can't see, but if you want to see, check my Instagram because I posted it in feed. We've got, it's this red lipstick. Oh my god, I think the colors are bad. Look. Okay, red lipstick. Guess who's wearing it? This is the red lipstick I'm wearing tonight. But I'm gonna put it back because this is such a nice gift and I don't need it twice. I'm gonna gift it to friends. Oh my god, this product is so good. It's a highlighter. I also used it. I don't know if you can tell. I think my makeup is not there anymore because it's late. We're tired, but this is so pretty. Look, 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 look. Wow. Okay, I don't know if you can tell. It's these pretty nail polish colors and black mascara. I got purple mascara from Chanel Beauty, and I love the way it opens. It's like opening like a... My god, my brain is asleep. Like a lipstick.